Hi, what's up? Welcome to my video, Cracking the Clickbank Code to Success in 6 Easy Steps for 2020 by me, that old marketing dude. Hi, my name is Bill Gibson. What am I going to cover today? What I'm going to cover is six steps which I have went through in Clickbank at one time, especially starting off, and just want you to recognize those and what you can do to prevent those and move forward. And in a moment, I will show you an online marketer site that has solved all those problems to where we can move forward. So are you ready? One of the issues that I have with Clickbank or any type of marketing, online affiliate marketing, is that you're going to start off slow. Unless you got a list or something, you're going to start off slow in most cases. And what that means is that you're not making money right now. A lot of times we are used to exchanging money for time, so we want to make money right now. In your own business, you got to put in the time first and the money will come. You got to trust the money will come. Another issue that I ran into, and maybe you might run into also, is it takes too long to get my money back. In essence, this is what I mean by that. If I spend X amount of dollars on a course, let's just say I bought a course, I spent $500 and it's going to train me how to do this and that. I have a expense or output of $500. Then I have to pay for advertising or learn how to advertise. And advertising could run $500, $1,000 a month or something. So now I'm up to $1,500, hypothetically, right? And then with my product, I'm thinking in the back of my mind, well, how many of these do I have to sell to get my $1,500 back? Or just when is the money coming in? It's taking too long. A lot of times before I get my money back, I might be caught by this silver bullet thing, and now I'm on to something else. And then one of the biggest problems I see people running into, and I certainly did also, you don't know what to do next. And what do I mean by that? I just joined the program. Follow along with me. You just joined the program. You're all excited. Oh man, this is going to be great. I can make X amount of dollars, let's say $40, $50 per sale. This is going to be great. You're just licking your chops. You post on Facebook to all your friends. You maybe join a Facebook group that has 30,000 people and you post there, but there's 30,000 posts there too because everybody else is posting. And then you finally realize is that you're not making money as easily. And now you're thinking, well, what do I do next? And again, something else comes along and you may even switch over to another program, or you're thinking that there's an external factor out there that's going to make me successful. And I'm going to tell you later on, or show you later on, that ain't true. Now, you have unrealistic expectations. This is what I mean by that. You're a victim of marketing, in essence. It says make money right away, so you're thinking that you're going to make money now. That's just to get you to do an action. And YouTube's case, it wants you to click. There's no silver bullet. There's no magic this, magic that. You got to put in the work. You must put in the work. If you don't put in the work, nothing's going to happen. Understand marketing, appreciate marketing, and learn how to do it also. Learn how to market. I'm saying learn how to do marketing and understand, but you got to focus. A feeling of uncertainty. I don't know about you, but I have this from time to time. What I mean by that is this. It doesn't matter how many positive thinking audios which I go through. It doesn't matter if I read X amount of books. It doesn't matter like if I'm on calls and getting mentored and all this and that. Or eventually I'm going to have one of those days where I just don't feel like, I hope this works. Is this going to work? The thing is, I was on a training call today, and this other trainer mentioned something that I have heard trainers mention, or people mention, people that are making six figures. I have heard them say this over and over and over again recently. Now, here's the deal. As we grow, we sometimes hear things that we maybe heard before, but we really didn't hear them. And this is what he said. This is what this guy said today. In order to be successful, you have to do what others are not willing to do. So at those times where you feel uncertain, you still got to move forward. And if you move forward, that feeling of uncertainty is going to leave you. But you got to take that step forward. You must take that step forward. You must focus. You got to focus. Okay? So now, let's talk about some solutions. You heard all the problems, right, in which I went through. Let's talk about solutions. I mentioned to you that I was going to show you a website, show you a guy that has figured those things out, and he actually helped. He actually helped me to see it. Now, you may not see it, but he helped me to see it. And this is the guy here. His name is Paul Murray. Good guy. Paul has a 5-step system. And in Paul's 5-step system, he talks about picking out a niche, not just a product, but a niche. He talks about picking out a niche. He talks about how to drive traffic to your niche. He talks about those things, what to do. It's like a roadmap, what to do. And what Paul did for me was just show me that structure. But let me show you something, because this is very important. You're probably asking yourself, why? So here we go. Why? I'm going to YouTube, and I'm going to look up this, I'm going to Google, and I'm going to look up Groove Pages Review. Look how many searches it's getting. 1,000 searches. That's a whole lot. And there's Paul. So, what you did, you just seen me put in Groove Pages Review. It gets on average about 1,000 searches per month. And Paul is listed on the first page on this billboard ad, and he got there free. And he's been there since January 20th. See there? And he's gotten there free. So in his 5-step system, he shows you, or he showed me, how to get there. How to get ranked on Google, and how to get ranked on their first page. And what this basically means is that Paul is getting traffic. And of course, you got to have a funnel. And then you also see those ads over here. You see where it says ads? That means people are paying for that spot. They're actually paying for that spot. They're paying at least $2.75 every time someone clicks on that spot. That's what the advertisers are paying. What is Paul paying? He's not paying anything. So in Paul's 5-step system, he showed me how to do the same thing. Now it's steps, right? 5-step system. So with that being said, let me show you what I have done. I just started. I'm going to go incognito, meaning that I want to see this from the eyes of not my website, because my website got the cookies on it, right? I want to see it from someone that's not in my website. And there I go on the first page. Now this is just the first step. This is what Paul calls just, building a little bit of trust. This is the first step. But I'm on the first page there. I'm on the first page here. You know what? I want to show you something too. Oh, it shows you. The video's just been up for 2 days. So there, here. Let's go to YouTube. And right here. So, again, it works. So there we are. That's the end of my video. By the way, if you're interested in actually getting Paul's 5-step system, I will leave a link here and a link below in the comments section. So what do you think? Did you like my video? Comment below. What questions might you have? What are your challenges? Write it down all below and let's work on that together. And if you like my video, please subscribe to my channel below. Also click on the bell right up above to be notified of other videos coming out, which will be about Clickbank marketing and affiliate marketing. So thank you guys very much. And in my next video, I will cover how to generate an email list for Clickbank marketing products that's fast. Thank you very much. I'll see you soon. Peace.